Here we've got an Audi Q3, it's a 2014 model. So we've just done the service on it. So now when I put the key in the ignition and turn the ignition on, it comes up as service due. So the way you reset this is through this media player here. You click onto car, and here you got the setting, vehicle settings, driver assist and service checks. So with this knob you turn to service checks, you press it in, go to service intervals, press it in, and here it tells you 300 kilometers, the inspection is due and the oil change is due. So in this car you can only reset the oil change light, and with the inspection light you're going to need a computer to reset that. So by resetting the oil light, you just turn this knob to the left and it says oil change interval, hit enter, and now that setting has been reset. As you can see there, oil change is reset, but the inspection due is still not reset. So we're going to plug the computer on and get back to it in a sec. So back to the video, we've got our computer out with the VCDS to reset the inspection due light. So the way you do this is you go here to service reminder interval reset. Let the computer do its thing. Go to the top, fix an ESI, and you perform. That way the computers are doing the reset. And here up the top, you see that the inspection has now been changed to 10,270 days. So that's how you perform the oil change and the inspection light on an Audi Q3. Thank you very much.